I've taken the dummy car apart, so it should be pretty easy now to just pull out the blanking plate, add the chip with the 8 pins in the correct orientation, and we'll be good to go. However, I have a problem. Using the default ID of 3, it does nothing at all. Kaput. The garage is about 7 degrees Celsius, and by this time I'm feeling cold, fed up. I just want to go in, sit down in front of the TV, have a coffee and about 20 ginger nuts. So just to make sure that everything is working, the Z21, the rolling road, I decided to go and get myself out one of my other HSTs in the dynamic lines GWR, or first rate West as it was then. And as you can hear, everything worked perfectly. Z21, rolling road, working. So I put the HST back on, still nothing, dead as a dodo. So I sent the chip away to Digitrains. I said to them, guys, I can't get this to work, can you have a look? They sent it back pretty quick actually, within a few days. The actual fault was one of the wires on the 8-pin connector was loose, faulty. I couldn't visually see that when I checked it, but obviously there was a problem. So now I've checked the rolling road and the Z21 is all working expected. Let's try the new chip. Oh, still not working. But this time fortunately it was more of a problem of the ID. A quick change of the ID on the chip and it all started working. Result, sound is working. Hang on, lights are not. A quick examination shows that 2 of the wires to the headlamp are not connected and 1 wire to the cab light is also not connected. I decided to go and have a quick look on the Hornby website and see if I could find out what wires go where, and as it's very helpful they're all black, I couldn't find any. But luckily, after a little bit of tracing, I did find out where everything was meant to go, as shown on screen now. The white connector is the one that connects into the circuit board within the loco. They're grouped in 2 and a 3. They don't go where you think they should do logically. On screen is the cab version. It was the left-hand cab that was missing, and I also had the left and centre wires that I had to resolder on. Carefully, very carefully. So this is a very quick sped up version of me installing the speaker and chip into the HST with the motor in. It's pretty tight, so you have to create like a little set of plastic holders just to hold the speaker off of the motor going to the rear bogie.
That's what you said when you started the fight. We came to it.
But the lights work on this one, which I was well chuffed about.
This is the end. 1, 2, 3 years of silence.
Sound works also. Another result.
Still another day. When my head gets weak, I lose my strength. I still be missing you. Here, outside. I've been searching, follow every step, every road, every single trace, analyzing, try to figure out those lines up on your face.
Just a quick run through some of the functions.
Mystery, those secrets kept away from me. Those doors are closed. So brightly.
I really do like the ambience, the station noises, really nice. Time to give it a quick blast, full throttle, give it a good thrash. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and I'll try to get back to you.